If you're new to makeup, don't stress. Everyone starts somewhere, and the best part is, there's no right or wrong way to begin. It's all about discovering what makes you feel confident and beautiful. This is your beginner-friendly beauty cheat sheet. A quick and easy routine that'll have you glowing in minutes. Perfect for school, work, or just feeling yourself on a chill day. Let's get glowing in 5. Start with concealer. Dab it on blemishes, redness, or under-eye circles. It's like a magic eraser for tired mornings or unexpected breakouts. Blend it in with your fingers or a sponge for that natural finish. The key is to tap, not drag. This keeps the product in place and gives a skin-like look. Next, frame your face. Fill in your brows with a pencil or powder. Follow your natural shape and use light strokes to mimic real hairs. Brows can totally change your vibe. Swipe on a neutral eyeshadow. Think soft browns, warm taupes, or peachy tones. These shades flatter every skin tone and are super easy to blend. Then dab a slightly darker shade in the crease to add depth. Use a fluffy brush and blend in windshield wiper motions for a seamless transition. Add mascara to make your eyes pop. Wiggle the wand from root to tip to lift and separate your lashes. 1 coat for subtle, 2 for drama. Now for the cheeks. Use a cream blush on the apples and blend it out toward your temples. Cream formulas melt into the skin and give a fresh, dewy finish. Want that glow? A touch of highlighter on the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and even your Cupid's bow does the trick. It catches the light and gives you that lit from within look. Lips next. Go for a tinted balm or soft pink lipstick. It adds color without being too bold and keeps your lips hydrated all day. You can even dab a bit on your cheeks for a monochromatic look. Finally, lock it all in with a setting spray. A few spritzes will keep your makeup in place and give your skin a healthy, hydrated finish. It's like the cherry on top of your beauty sundae. Keep it simple. You don't need a million products to look and feel amazing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll get. Makeup is a journey. Enjoy the process. All these goodies are on Myface Beauty and Stylist online store. Your one-stop shop for beginner-friendly, loving makeup. Stay shining, stay glowing, and most importantly, stay you.